1. The birth of the Chinook. The story of the Chinook begins in the late 1950s, during a time when military aviation was rapidly evolving. The U.S. Army recognized a growing need for a helicopter that could lift extremely heavy cargo, transport large numbers of troops, operate in harsh environments, replace slow, vulnerable ground transport. Boeing Vertol answered this call with a bold and unconventional design. Instead of a single main rotor and tail rotor, engineers proposed two large rotors mounted in tandem, one in the front and one in the rear. This configuration eliminated the need for a tail rotor and allowed all engine power to be used for lift. The result was the CH-47 Chinook, first flown in 1961 and officially entering U.S. Army service in 1962. 2. Why tandem rotors changed everything. The Chinook's tandem rotor system is its most defining feature. Unlike traditional helicopters, where a tail rotor is required to counter torque, the Chinook's two counter-rotating rotors naturally balance each other. Advantages of tandem rotors: greater lifting power, improved stability, better performance in high altitude and hot weather, larger cargo area. This design allows the Chinook to lift more than almost any other helicopter in Western service. It also gives the aircraft its unmistakable silhouette. 3. Airframe design, built for heavy work. The CH-47 is designed like a flying truck. Its long, box-shaped fuselage maximizes internal cargo space while maintaining aerodynamic efficiency. Key airframe features: reinforced aluminum structure, wide rear cargo ramp, external cargo hook system, crash-resistant fuel tanks. The rear ramp allows vehicles, artillery, and pallets to be rolled directly into the helicopter. This design dramatically reduces loading and unloading time, critical during combat and disaster response missions. 4. Power and performance. The Chinook is powered by two high-performance turboshaft engines, with modern variants producing over 4,700 horsepower each. Performance highlights: maximum speed, 196 mph, cruise speed, U-170 mph, range over 400 miles, service ceiling over 20,000 feet, maximum payload, over 26,000 pounds. These numbers make the Chinook one of the most capable heavy-lift helicopters in the world. Even fully loaded, it can operate in thin mountain air where many helicopters struggle. 5. Crew and cabin capacity. A standard Chinook crew includes pilot, co-pilot, flight engineer or crew chief. The cabin can carry up to 55 fully equipped troops. Light armored vehicles, artillery systems, humanitarian aid supplies, fuel bladders, construction equipment. Few aircraft offer this level of flexibility. The Vietnam War was the Chinook's first major proving ground. In dense jungles with limited infrastructure, the helicopter became essential. It was used to transport artillery to mountaintops, resupply remote bases, recover downed aircraft, move troops quickly across dangerous terrain. The Chinook earned a reputation for toughness and reliability under extreme conditions. Many early lessons learned in Vietnam directly shaped future upgrades. 7. Survivability and safety. While not designed as an attack helicopter, the Chinook incorporates numerous survivability features. These include redundant flight systems, self-sealing fuel tanks, armored crew positions, advanced fire suppression systems. The aircraft is designed to keep flying even after sustaining damage, increasing survival chances for crew and passengers. 8. Avionics evolution. Early Chinooks relied on analog instruments and basic navigation systems. Modern versions are completely transformed. Today's CH-47F features digital glass cockpit, advanced flight management systems, GPS navigation, terrain awareness warning systems, night vision compatibility. These upgrades significantly reduce pilot workload and improve mission success. 9. Global missions and humanitarian role. The Chinook is not only a military asset, it is a humanitarian lifeline. It has been used extensively in hurricane relief, earthquake response, flood evacuation, wildfire support, medical evacuation. In disaster zones where roads are destroyed, the Chinook often becomes the fastest way to deliver aid. Its ability to lift massive loads saves lives. 10. Specialized variants. Over the decades, several Chinook variants have been developed. Notable versions include CH-47D, improved engines and avionics, CH-47F, Modernized airframe and digital cockpit. MH-47G Special Operations Variant. The MH-47G includes aerial refueling capability, advanced sensors, extended range, special mission equipment. These helicopters support elite U.S. Special Operations Forces worldwide. Support the Chinook in modern warfare. In Iraq and Afghanistan, the Chinook proved invaluable. It transported troops into remote valleys, heavy equipment to forward bases, supplies to areas inaccessible by road. Its speed and lift capability reduced exposure to ground threats. The Chinook became a symbol of logistical dominance. 12. International operators. The Chinook is operated by more than 20 countries, including United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Japan, Germany, Italy. Global adoption reflects trust in the platform's reliability and performance. 13. The CH-47F, modern standard. The CH-47F is the most advanced production variant today. Improvements include stronger airframe, reduced vibration, improved maintenance access, enhanced fuel efficiency. The aircraft is designed for decades of continued service. 14. Future of the Chinook. Despite new aircraft programs, the Chinook remains irreplaceable. Planned future upgrades include improved engines, digital networking, autonomous assist features, enhanced survivability systems. The U.S. Army expects the Chinook to remain operational into the 2060s. Very few aircraft achieve such longevity. 15. Why the Chinook still matters. The Chinook is more than a helicopter. It is a logistics backbone, a humanitarian lifeline, a symbol of reliability, a masterpiece of engineering. When missions become too heavy for anything else, the Chinook answers the call. Conclusion: a legacy of lift. For over 6 decades, the CH-47 Chinook has carried the weight of modern warfare and humanitarian responsibility. It has adapted, evolved, and endured. As technology advances, the Chinook continues to prove that smart design and reliability never go out of style. The Chinook is not just flying history, it is flying capability.